Hello everyone, in this video I will compare MasterCAM and SolidWorks. MasterCAM is a dedicated CNC software used mainly for machining and toolpath generation. It supports 2D, 3D, and 5-axis machining, making it suitable for milling, turning, and routing. MasterCAM allows machinists to create precise toolpaths, optimize cutting speeds, and manage material efficiently. It also includes advanced features like high-speed machining, multi-axis programming, and simulation tools to visualize the machining process before production. MasterCAM is widely used in manufacturing industries because it is reliable, versatile, and specifically designed for CNC operations. SolidWorks is primarily a 3D CAD software used for designing parts, assemblies, and mechanical systems. It allows engineers to create detailed parametric models, simulate motion, and analyze stress or other physical factors. SolidWorks can generate CNC outputs when paired with CAM software like SolidCAM, but its core strength is in design, not direct machining. It's ideal for creating complex mechanical components, design assemblies, and preparing models for manufacturing. In short, MasterCAM is better if you're focused in CNC machining, toolpath creation, and production efficiency, while SolidWorks is better for detailed design, engineering, and preparing parts for manufacturing. MasterCAM excels in production and machining workflow, while SolidWorks excels in precision design and engineering analysis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.